5 companies, 5 unstoppable trends, and 5 powerful growth stocks you need to know if you're serious about building wealth in 2025 and beyond. In this video, we're revealing 1. Lightbulb Nvidia, a semiconductor titan that's not just riding the AI wave, it's the wave. Their chips are inside everything from ChatGPT to Tesla's autopilot. 2. Shield CrowdStrike, a cybersecurity giant whose platform protects governments, banks, and Fortune 500 companies, and their revenue just hit record highs. 3. Shopping Bag Shopify, a next-gen e-commerce platform helping creators and brands go global, and now it's even challenging Amazon's dominance. 4. Brain Palantir, a controversial but brilliant data analytics company working behind the scenes of military missions, healthcare systems, and top U.S. corporations. 5. Eli Lilly, and finally, a pharmaceutical juggernaut with a breakthrough obesity drug. But that's just the beginning. Their pipeline could disrupt Alzheimer's, cancer, and more. Every single one of these stocks is positioned to crush the market, and the last one might surprise you the most. So grab a notebook, smash that like button, and stay locked in. Let's dive into the top 5 growth stocks to buy in 2025. Subscribe for weekly investing videos. 1. Nvidia, NVDA. Studio microphone, let's kick off with a titan. Nvidia, ticker Nvidia. While many associate this name with graphics cards, Nvidia has gone far beyond just gaming GPUs. In fact, it's now one of the most critical infrastructure providers for the entire AI revolution. Market cap, $3.30 trillion. Dollar banknote stock price, $135.40 currently. Over the past 3 years, Nvidia has delivered over 250% returns. What's driving that? It's not just the current demand, it's future demand. Nvidia's GPUs are the brains behind everything from OpenAI's servers to Tesla's self-driving cars. And in 2025, Nvidia is rolling out its next-gen Blackwell chip, which promises double the processing power at 60% lower energy consumption. Let's break this down. Nvidia controls roughly 80% of the AI data center market. That's not a moat, that's a fortress. And their CUDA software ecosystem locks developers in, making switching costs extremely high. But here's what most people miss. Nvidia is quietly entering new verticals. It's building its own AI cloud platform, investing in robotics, and powering everything from genomics to digital twins in manufacturing. Lightbulb growth forecast. Analysts project this could rise to $120 billion plus by 2026. Nvidia expects data center capex to rise from $400 billion in 2024 to $1 trillion by 2028, with earnings per share growing over 40% YOY. With a P/E ratio under 40 for a hypergrowth company, it's arguably undervalued on future cash flow potential. Nvidia isn't just a chip maker. It's a backbone of the future economy. Studio microphone. Next up is CrowdStrike, ticker CRWD, the undisputed leader in cloud-native cybersecurity. If data is the new gold, then CRWD is the digital vault. Bar chart market cap, $109.41 billion. Dollar banknote stock price, $439.26 currently. In a world where cyber threats evolve daily, CrowdStrike has built a dynamic AI-powered security platform, Falcon, that anticipates, adapts, and shuts down attacks in real time. Over the past 3 years, CRWD has soared more than 140%, fueled by rapid client growth and increasing urgency from both governments and enterprises to secure their systems. Now here's the big picture. CrowdStrike's platform isn't just antivirus. It's endpoint detection, threat intelligence, identity protection, and instant response, all in one. It integrates seamlessly with AWS, Microsoft, Google Cloud, and now it's expanding into small and medium business protection globally. Lightbulb-wide 2025 is pivotal. Cybersecurity is no longer a line item. It's mission critical. U.S. government spending on cybersecurity is projected to exceed $25 billion annually, and CrowdStrike is landing contract after contract. It's also breaking into the identity security market with the acquisition of Preempt and continues to innovate faster than rivals like SentinelOne and Palo Alto Networks. Financials? Solid. Subscription revenue makes up 90% of total revenue, ensuring predictable, recurring income. It's already free cash flow positive with 30% plus margins, rare for a high-growth SaaS company, as long as digital transformation continues. Coming in strong at number 3 is Shopify, ticker SHOP. Now, before you think Shopify is just an e-commerce website builder, think again. In 2025, it's fast becoming the operating system for global retail, especially for Gen Z entrepreneurs and mobile-first businesses. Market cap, $143.68 billion. Dollar banknote stock price, $110.75 currently. After a rough 2022, Shopify pivoted brilliantly. In 2023 and 2024, it rolled out Shopify Markets Pro, launched partnerships with Amazon and TikTok, and integrated AI-powered business tools into its platform. The result? Strong double-digit revenue growth, margin expansion, and more sellers joining the ecosystem than ever. And let's talk about its strength in logistics. The Shopify Fulfillment Network is now a legitimate competitor to Amazon for independent merchants. But that's not all. Shopify's revenue mix is evolving. It's no longer just monthly plans and transaction fees. They now earn from payments, advertising, enterprise solutions, and AI-driven commerce insights. Growth stats. Revenue has grown from $5.6 billion in 2022 to over $9 billion in 2024, with 2025 projections showing 20% YOY growth. Their take rate, or the amount they earn per transaction, is rising as merchants use more services. Why is a 2025 buy? Shopify is the backbone of independent digital commerce. As more consumers shop via mobile and social, and as creators monetize through physical goods, Shopify becomes a default platform. And it's just getting started. Let's get into a company with one of the most misunderstood business models. Palantir Technologies, ticker PLTR. Market cap, $305.66 billion. Stock price, $129.52 currently. Palantir makes advanced data analytics software that's used by government, military, and commercial clients. Their platforms, Gotham and Foundry, pull together messy, disconnected data and turn it into actionable intelligence. Palantir's tools are now embedded in everything from battlefield logistics to energy forecasting, from hospital systems to supply chains. It's not flashy, but it's insanely powerful. In 2024, Palantir made a major leap. It launched its artificial intelligence platform, AIP, allowing clients to build AI agents using their proprietary data. Companies like Caterpillar, Merck, and Tyson Foods are now using Palantir AIP to optimize operations in real time. 2025 tailwinds. Defense spending is surging globally, and Palantir just locked in a $250 million U.S. Army contract for mission-critical AI deployment. Meanwhile, its commercial revenue is growing 45% YOY as more Fortune 500 companies sign on. And for the first time, Palantir is consistently profitable. In 2022, it was burning cash. By 2024, it turned a corner, now posting 20% plus margins with no debt on the balance sheet. It's a data-first company building the digital nervous system of global institutions. That's powerful. And finally, the growth stock hiding in plain sight, Eli Lilly, ticker Eli Lilly. Market cap, $717.81 billion. Stock price, $757.39 currently. Best known for its blockbuster diabetes and weight loss drug Mounjaro, Eli Lilly is rapidly transforming from a pharmaceutical giant to a biotech innovation engine. Let's talk numbers. In the last 3 years, Eli Lilly stock is up over 250%. A huge portion of that growth is due to surging demand for GLP-1 drugs, Mounjaro and Zepbound, used for both type 2 diabetes and obesity. Demand is so strong that the company is building new manufacturing plants just to keep up. But that's not all. In 2025, Lilly is expected to release results from 2 key trials in Alzheimer's and cancer treatments. If successful, these could unlock billions in new revenue streams. What sets Eli Lilly apart? It's not just one drug driving growth. Lilly's pipeline includes over 20 drugs in Phase 3 trials, and the company expects 10-plus new drug launches between now and 2026. It's also investing heavily in digital health and AI diagnostics, bringing tech into traditional medicine. With 35% plus revenue growth in 2024 and operating margins north of 40%, this is a blue chip that behaves like a startup. The stock may seem expensive, but with multiple billion-dollar franchises and no major patent cliffs on the horizon, it's a growth machine hiding inside Big Pharma. Let's quickly recap the 5 powerhouse growth stocks you just discovered and why they're poised to dominate 2025 and beyond. 1. Nvidia, NVDA, the undisputed king of AI chips, driving the future of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and autonomous everything. 2. CrowdStrike, CRWD, the elite guardian of the digital world, shielding governments and enterprises with next-gen cybersecurity. 3. Shopify Shop, the e-commerce enabler revolutionizing how entrepreneurs launch, scale, and sell globally, with AI now built in. 4. Palantir Technologies, PLTR, the data intelligence superweapon trusted by militaries, hospitals, and Fortune 500s to make life-altering decisions. 5. Eli Lilly, LOI, the pharma titan behind the blockbuster weight loss drug, fueling record profits, with a pipeline that could change medicine itself. These aren't just stocks. They're megatrends in motion. The earlier you position yourself, the bigger the upside. And while no investment is without risk, missing out on the next wave of innovation could cost far more. If you found value in this breakdown, hit that like, comment, share this with fellow investor, and drop your favorite stock in the comments. I read every one. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay sharp, stay invested, and I'll see you in the next one.